Castro to Beltran. Beltran to Ferrer. Apelido for 3. That's good. 3 points with jersey number 3. Change favor 25-24 in favor of Sin Thunders. Tucson. 10 seconds to shoot. Tucson for 3. Not good. Beltran, starting the play. Pass to Ferrer. Ferrer, pass to Castro. Castro. To Rosario. To Ferrer. 5 seconds. Hello, go. Laureano, starting the play. Pass to Tarka. Tarka to Flores. Flores, no good. Rebound Ferrer. Same ball. Same ball. Santos. Tucson, no good. Rebound by Tarka. Tarka layups, no good again. Rebound by Rosario. Rosario to Beltran. Beltran sidestep layup, no good. Rebound by Flores to Santos for 3. No good again. Rebound by Rosario. Rosario to Ferrer. Ferrer to Apelido for 3. That's good. 3 points by Apelido. Tucson. Apelido to Laureano. Babawe, that's good. 3 points by jersey number 9. Official score 27-28 in favor of Sin Thunders. Beltran starting the play. Dribbling the ball. Castro. Traveling violation by jersey number 7. Tucson starting the play. Pass to Santos. Santos. To Rosario. Foul. Call on jersey number 9. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Apelido, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound Apelido again. To Rosario, Rosario, thugs, no good. Rebound number 35, Tarka. Last touch by jersey number 7. Here's number 9. To Santos. Santos to Tucson. Tucson to Flores. Flores, foul. Call on jersey number 6. That is your third personal foul. There's a tap, not good. Second attempt. Oh, good again. Remove Rosario to Beltran. Beltran to Pilido to Ferrer. Ferrer attacks, no good. Remove number 30, Santos. Santos to Tarka. Tarka jumper short. Remove Beltran. Beltran looking for the fast break play by Beltran. Floater, no good. Remove Ferrer. Ferrer, that's good. Seconds violation. Timeout team Voltures. Time remaining 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Official score 27-30 in favor of Sin Thunders. Play, pass to Beltran. Beltran pupukol ng 3. Short, remove Tarka. Flores. Flores, sidestep, layup, no good. Remove Dillon, Dillon. Pass to Tarka. 3 seconds, violation. Yell. Ferrer, that's good. Tucson. Starting the play with jersey number 9 to Flores. Flores attacks using the board, that's good. Miguel. Pass to Beltran. Beltran to Castro. Castro for 3. That's good. 3 points by jersey number 7. 6-point lead by Sin Thunders. Tucson to Tarka. Tarka babawi ng 3. That's good. 3 points by jersey number 35. Miguel to Beltran. Beltran fakes. Beltran to Pilido. For 3. No good. Remove by Tucson. Tucson. Looking with the fast break by Tucson. To Loriano. Back to Tucson again. Tucson to Loriano. Jersey number 9. Jumper. That's good. Score 34-35 in favor of Sin Thunders. Time remaining 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Miguel to Ferrer to Castro for 3 again. No good. Remove by Flores. Flores to Tarka. Tarka reverse layup. No good. To Beltran. Beltran layups, no good. Last touch by jersey number 12. Number 9. Number 9. Laureano. Meron ng 2. No good. Castro nagmamadali. Steal by Tucson. Miguel. Starting the play. Pass. Foul call on jersey number 28 for blocking foul. That is your second personal foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Castro. Beltran. Beltran for 3. That's good. 3 points by jersey number 29. Houston. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Laureano. To Houston. 10 seconds to shoot. Houston layups. That's good. Voltures ball. 38. Houston. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. Houston to Flores. Flores to Tarka. Tarka layups. No good. Substitution.
Kobe, pasok ka pa, Kobe.
One minute and 20 seconds. Beltran for 3. No good. Voltures ball. Laureano. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Houston. Houston. To De Leon. De Leon. To Houston again. Houston fakes. Flores jumper. No good. Rebound by Castro. Castro to Miguel. Miguel. To Beltran. Steal by Flores. Flores. Layups. No good. Anders ball. Time remaining 41 seconds. Five seconds. Miguel to Castro. Castro fakes. Castro step back jumper. No good. Rebound by Tarka. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Beltran side step layup. No good. Same ball. 15 seconds. Time remaining 15 seconds. Official score 38-36. 15 seconds. Castro to Miguel. 10 seconds. Castro. 5 seconds. Castro for 3. Foul call on jersey number 99. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. First attempt, no good. 2 seconds. Second attempt, that's good. Score 36-40. 36-40. Puta orang. Rebound by Beltran. Beltran to Miguel. Miguel, pupukol ang 3. That's good. Flores no good. Rebound by Tarka. Tarka, wala pa rin. Same ball. Official score 43-36 in favor of Sin Thunders. Santos attacks. No good. Rebound by Miguel. Miguel nagmamadali. Miguel to Beltran using the ball. That's good. Laureano. All call on jersey number 29. Score 36-45 in favor of 45.
Okay,
37-45. Second attempt. No good. Rebound by Asuncion. To Miguel. Miguel to Castro. Castro for 3. No good. Rebound by Rosario. Foul. Call on jersey number 30. Rala. Second attempt. That's good. Santos. Laureano. To Tarka. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Castro. To number 6 Rosario. To number 12 Miguel. Back to Castro again for 3. That's good. 3 points by jersey number 7. Score 37-49 in favor of Sin Thunders. Santos to Castro. 10 seconds to shoot. Santos for 3. That's good. 3 points by jersey number 30. Number 12. Sarang na play by Miguel. Pass to Beltran. Beltran for 3. Short. Rebound by Flores. Flores to Santos. Santos attacks. Still miss. Miguel losing the ball. Same ball. Arca, that's good. Score 42-49. Beltran attacks. No good. Losing the ball. Voltures ball. Score 42-49. Time remaining 7 minutes and 14 seconds. Castro. To Santos. Santos for 3. No good. Rebound by Rosario. Rosario to Asuncion. Pass to Miguel. Miguel to Castro. Still by Tarka. Tarka.
Bobby.
Laureano. That's good. Score 49-44 in favor of Sin Thunders. Pass to Miguel. Miguel Tapilido for 3. Short, River Flores. Flores looking for the fast break play by Flores. Flores to Laureano. That's good. Santos to Castro. Castro short. Miguel to Rosario. Rosario sidestep. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. 49-46. Flores to Santos to Tarka. Tarka for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6 to Miguel. Still by Tarka again. Super layup. No good. Rebound by Miguel. Miguel to Rosario. Rosario losing the ball. Voltures ball. Timeout. Sin Thunders. Score 46-49 in favor of Team Cyan Thunders. Santos. Tucson to Laureano. Laureano for 3. No good. No good again by Flores. Rebound by Miguel. Miguel to Castro. Castro attacks. No good. All call on jersey number 00. Second attempt. That's good. Sunshine to Rosario to Miguel and seconds to shoot. Asuncion no good. Rebound by Santos to Flores. Layups no good. Tucson wala pa rin. Rebound by Flores using the board. That's good. All 49. Rosario attacks. Traveling violation. Santos to Laureano. Laureano jumper lump to no good. Rebound by Asuncion. Time remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Ferrer. Traveling violation by jersey number 0. Score all 49. Santos to Laureano to Santos again for 3. No good. Rebound Miguel. Miguel to Ferrer. All call on jersey number 9. Second, team foul. Ferrer. No good. Rebound Ferrer again. Here's number 9, that is her second personal foul. Number 12, Rosario, jumper, no good. Dribble Flores, Flores to Tarka. Layups, that's good. Miguel, Asuncion using the board, that's good. All 51, time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. Asuncion. 4-3. Short. Santos. Santos 4-3. No good. Same ball. "13 seconds to shoot. Time remaining 43 seconds. Santos. Long two, no good. Follow-up Flores, that's good. Seconds, Castro 4-3, no good. Last touch by jersey number 9. 26 seconds, 17 seconds to shoot. Rosario, no good. Dribble by Tucson. Castro, 20 seconds. Same ball, 14 seconds, 55-51. Miguel, 10 seconds. Rosario, that's good. 5 seconds. Here's the number 12. 1 second. Second team foul.
One second.
55-51. Ay, 53-55. Fourth quarter na, fourth quarter. "53 man na yan, 53 eh. Yeah, mali eh. Ten seconds to shoot. Loriano for 3. Anders ball. Miguel. To Ferrer. Ferrer to Rosario. Ferrer again. Castro for 3. No good. Driven by number 30. Santos. Looking for the fast break play by Santos. Layup by Tucson. That's good. Score 57-53. Foul call on jersey number 9. That is your third personal foul. Castro to Ferrer. Foul call on jersey number 28. Flores, that is your third personal foul.
Nakainom ko yan ba?
Beltran to Castro. No good. Rebound by Santos. Santos. And one play by jersey number 30. Guara. Jersey number 29, that is your second personal foul.
850 pare! Ilan lamang? Lamang. Apat.
Lima.
Oh!
Lamang sila 5. 6 na, 6.
Bisa!
Number 12.
Again po nyo!
Beltran for 3. No good. Rebound number 9. Santos.
Pati mo!
Santos starting the play.
Dito! Iskray!
Totarka. That's good. Number 12. To Castro. Foul call on jersey number 30. That is your third personal foul.
Ayaw mo na yun! Head na! Oh, tira!
Beltran to Ferrer.
Bigay!
Santos to Tucson layups, that's good.
Pagana! Yeah! Let's go!
64-54 in favor of Team Voltures. Castro for 3. Short. Rebound by Santos.
Easy lang! Sampo naman!
To Flores.
Sakla!
And seconds to shoot. To Tucson. To Flores to Tarka, losing the ball. Still by Miguel to Beltran, no good. Rebound by Tucson. To Santos to Tarka, layups, that no good.
Iko! Time!
And seconds to shoot. Defense attempt, no good. Rebound by Castro to Ferrer. Back to Castro, that's good.
Score!
64-56.
Oh, nanin! Sigatin mo tayo mo! Diretso! Dito natin! Oh, ise!
Castro, number 11. To number 30. Pass to Flores. 10 seconds to shoot.
Bola ko.
5 seconds to shoot.
Score, score.
Sound dapat.
Yo, lumias na. Sabihin niyo ba?
Miguel. Three seconds violation.
Ay! Ito!
Still by Ferrer. Foul goal on jersey number 35. Warning for penalty.
Lamang kay Sakura! Diskarte! Kale! Limutan!
Castro.
Ulay!
Apelido to Ferrer. Ferrer. Jumper short. Rebound by Flores. Flores to Santos. Santos starting the play.
Isilamo!
Backward violation by jersey number 30. Miguel for three. No good. Rebound by Santos. Santos. Ten seconds to shoot. That's good. Ferrer. Layups, that's good. Tucson. Pass to Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. Flores. Layups. No good. Rebound by Castro. Castro to Apelido. Apelido layup, that's good. Score 60-68 in favor of Team Voltures. Time remaining 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Traveling violation. Miguel, Apelido. Apelido to Rosario. Rosario, that's good. Score 62-68 in favor of Team Voltures. Santos. To Flores. 10 seconds to shoot. Castro. To Miguel. Apelido for three. No good. Score 68-62. Time remaining 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Santos starting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Still by Castro. Apelido to Castro for 3. No good. Rebound by Castro, number 11.
Sige, pulay mo! Behind! Drive!
Santos, 10 seconds to shoot. Tucson, 5 seconds to shoot. Jumper no good. Rebound by Rosario. Steal by Santos.
Easy! Behind! Ikaw na!
Castro for 3. Short.
Sige, siguro na! Isa!
Last 2 minutes. Cast by Rosario, that's good. Score 64-68 in favor of Team Voltures. Arca to Flores. 10 seconds to shoot. Santos attacks, layup no good. Rebound by Tarka wala pa rin. Same ball. I'm winning 1 minute and 28 seconds. Score 64-68 in favor of Team Vultures. Flores. And to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Castro to Miguel, to Castro, to Apelido for 3. No good. Rebound by Rosario to Miguel, that's good. Last 50 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 40 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Last 31 seconds. Last 31 seconds. Miguel. To Miguel again. Long two, short. Rebound by Tucson. Last 16 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Foul ball on jersey number 0. Second team foul. Second team foul. Second team foul. Second team foul. Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 9 seconds. Foul ball on jersey number 12. Third team foul. Third team foul. Last 9 seconds. Last 9 seconds. Sakay. 9 seconds. All call on jersey number 0. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Last 8 seconds. Foul call on jersey number 12. Last 7 seconds. Penalty, 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 penalty. Last 7 seconds. Wala sa atin.
Yung basa-basa man. Thunder.